Welcome to 75 Moore Street in Leamington, Cambridge. I'm Dave McGuire from Rural and Lifestyle Sales. Come with me, I'll show you around. Coming to Dave. At 724 square metres, there's plenty of room for parking and the maintenance is next to none. The property comes with a pool, so you'll be set for summer. There's plenty of room for the toys with the internal access, workshop and garage area. The well-appointed kitchen is spacious with breakfast bar, dishwasher, electric hob and wall oven, soft closing cabinetry and a great flow to the living areas. The separate lounge is large and doubles as a great media room. There's 4 double bedrooms. The master enjoys an ensuite and walk-in wardrobe. If you're after a low-key section in the middle of Cambridge, call now or check us out at realandlifestylesales.com. Come on, Steve, hurry up.
Come on, Dave, you're too quick at doing these jobs.